So press pause, read through this, and see if you can come up with an answer for this question. Okay, so while the book was sliding, it's moving, so it has kinetic energy, but then it comes to rest. And so we're looking at something where there is energy there, and then after it comes to rest, it doesn't have that kinetic energy anymore. And I've said before that energy cannot just disappear. So where did it go? What happened to this kinetic energy? Where did it go? What happened to it? Well, we can say that the kinetic energy of the book was transformed into thermal energy. That means that something is getting hotter. The table in the book will get slightly hotter because of friction. Okay, if there were no friction, the object would keep moving at a constant speed because there'd be no force to slow it down. So friction is the force that slows it down and makes it come to rest. And whenever, we're going to learn later, whenever you have friction, the force of friction, it converts energy, mostly kinetic energy, into thermal energy. Think about if you rub your hands together really fast, back and forth. You're using friction to heat up your hands. You're taking the kinetic energy of your hands and converting that energy into thermal energy, making your hands warmer. Okay, so that's where the energy went. It did not disappear. It made the table and the book get a little bit hotter. We could also ask, where did the book's kinetic energy come from? Okay, and at this point, you could say, well, you pushed it and you got energy from the food you ate, and the food you ate got energy from the sun, etc. But really, I want to have a more specific way to describe that when you push on something and it moves, you are giving energy to that object. Okay? I want to be able to describe that. Again, I want to be able to describe that when you give the book a push, you are giving energy to that object. And I want to describe that in a very specific way. And we are going to describe that in terms of the term work.